Hey guys, so today I'm going to actually run you through a few things that you need to know about our products before actually purchasing from us. The right way to actually measure extensions is this. So the stretched length is always considered while measuring the extensions. So that's the reason the straight hair will tend to look more longer than the wavy hair. Alright, so when it comes to the natural wavy texture that we provide, it's pretty much going to look like this or even more waved up because even this has been styled a bit. So all the videos that we actually do, we style the extensions, so they're not going to be either crimped or you're not going to get beach waves. It is ultimately the temple Indian wavy hair that you're getting, so it is going to be like this and you can style it in any form because it is ultimately 100% human hair. So when it comes to a streak, this is what one streak looks like. And even though the pictures in our websites show two streaks, it is the up and down size so that you know how it looks. But when you select one streak is what you get. We do get complaints saying that we see two in the picture but we got only one, but if you choose for one streak, you will get only one streak. And our streaks are not very thick, they are pretty much this density. And the reason that we don't make them thick is because they look like blots when you actually put them on them and they did not blend in properly. We've tried that before, it did not work out, that's why we've made them this density, and this is how you pretty much open and close the streaks. Alright, so when it comes to our boxes, we actually provide super high quality boxes which are in fact magnetic, and we see a lot of times that we get complaints on the bad quality of boxes, but we actually do the best from our end and they are quite high quality boxes. But due to transit, they do tend to get messed up and we have started bubble wrapping them. And for now, that's the best that we can do from our end, but we will eventually change the packaging to a more durable packaging. To keep your extensions protected, you can actually get our hair extensions carrier, and this does not come with the extensions. This needs to be purchased separately, and we never mentioned that it comes along with the extensions. So this is a separate product that you can actually purchase from our website. Okay, so lastly, when it comes to our extensions, there will be a few grey hair present because they're made from 100% human hair. We do actually remove everything that we can from our end, but there will still be a few grey hair present if at all, and you can just pluck them out. It doesn't mean that the hair quality is bad. And there might be some dust due to packaging. That does not mean that there's lice in the hair. None of our hair has lice. It is just sometimes due to packaging, the envelope that we use, it does tend to get stuck on the packaging, but it is not lice. And the hair will sometimes even have split ends because it is real hair, and we will still look into everything from our end to make sure that this is eliminated. So that is it, and that's hopefully clarifies a few things related to our products, and we just wanted to put it out there for clarity purposes. So yeah.